All right, folks, put in a 500-gallon septic tank. Filling it up with water, then I'm gonna backfill it. Probably don't have to do that with this one, but I'm doing it. And that is a IBC tote septic tank collapse right there. Dug it out, put a real septic tank in, 500-gallon tank. Anyway, that's it. Got a nice little outlet tee on it, going into some infiltrator that's shooting out that way. And that's it, a 500-gallon plastic. It's a poly septic tank. And anyway, that's it, folks. Oh, mercy me. A 500-gallon septic tank. And then you see the lid, the green lid here that'll be on it. Anyway, that's it. Did it with a Kubota 3-foot bucket. Oh, it was kind of rough by myself, but anyway, John's at home with the new baby. We got a new addition. So that's it, folks. We'll see you.